Hi, I'm doing a yarn giveaway, giving away 2 skeins of yarn that are from Walmart, and the yarn is really nice, so I had to grab it and use it as a giveaway. Next time I do a giveaway, it will be Knit Crate. If you'd like to sign up under me for Knit Crate, all links are down below, and you can use the promo code Jewel20 and get 20% off your first month. Also, if you'd like to come to my website, amyscrochetpatterns.com, go to patterns, click on any one of these categories. It will take you to pictures in each category, and click right on the picture. It will take you to a free pattern. Most of all of my patterns are free. Also, if you'd like to come to my Etsy store, and I have, if you go to my categories, I have printables, I have calendars. These printable calendars you can do per year. Also, you can do monthly as well. You can go to Crochet PDF. These are my crochet patterns. And then Crochet Vintage, my Crochet Vintage patterns. And all is thank you tags, my crochet for printables. I think all of my products are $3 and under. I like to keep it really reasonable. Okay, so let's see what the yarn is all about. Okay, so this is the yarn that I found at Walmart. It's called Bloom Chunky Big, 218 yards, and it's acrylic. It's very soft, a little on the thick side, very pretty colors like a pastel, white, purple, pink. I'm giving this away to one lucky winner, and it's Premier Yarns Tulip Color Bulky 5. It's a really nice yarn. I had to grab it. I can't remember. I want to say I spent maybe $6 or so, close to $7 per skein. So this is a really nice giveaway. So please comment down below something crochet related, what you're working on or what you'd like to see on videos. Make sure you are a subscriber and come back to see if you are the winner, and I will pick a winner with the random comment picker. I hope everybody had a great holiday. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.